6 powerful foods to strengthen weak legs and prevent muscle loss. Science-backed. Have you ever stopped to think about how your legs are feeling? Maybe climbing stairs feels a bit harder than it used to, or standing for long periods leaves you drained. These small changes might seem insignificant at first, but they can be early signs of something bigger, muscle loss. And here's the truth. Your legs are often the first to show the effects. Weak legs don't just slow you down, they impact your balance, increase your risk of falls, and can even steal your independence. But here's the good news. This doesn't have to happen to you. The solution isn't just about exercise, it's about what you eat. Yes, food plays a crucial role in keeping your legs strong, mobile, and ready for life's challenges. In this video, we're diving into 6 incredible foods that can help you fight muscle weakness, boost strength, and keep your legs moving effortlessly for years to come. Stick around, because one of these might already be sitting in your kitchen. You're just not eating enough of it. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment below. Have you noticed any changes in your leg strength lately? Let me know. Number 1. Sweet potatoes, fuel for your muscles. Think of sweet potatoes as nature's energy bars. They're not just delicious, they're packed with complex carbohydrates that provide steady, long-lasting fuel for your muscles. Unlike refined carbs like white bread or pasta, which cause quick spikes and crashes in energy, sweet potatoes break down slowly, giving your muscles consistent power throughout the day. This means no more afternoon slumps or feeling wiped out halfway through your activities. But sweet potatoes aren't just about energy. As we age, our bodies struggle to repair tiny tears in our muscles after everyday movements. Without proper recovery, muscles weaken over time. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair muscle tissue, reduce soreness, and keep your legs flexible and responsive. Plus, they're rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like beta-carotene, which fights oxidative stress and protects your muscles from damage. And let's not forget potassium, one of the most underrated nutrients for leg strength. Low potassium levels can lead to cramps, weakness, and even an increased risk of falls. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of this essential mineral, helping your muscles contract properly and stay strong. So whether you roast them, mash them, or blend them into a smoothie, adding sweet potatoes to your meals is one of the easiest ways to support your leg health. Number 2. Oats, the unsung hero of leg strength. Oats are often dismissed as boring breakfast food, but they're actually a powerhouse when it comes to building stronger legs. Here's why. Oats are packed with fiber, plant-based protein, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium, all of which play key roles in muscle function and endurance. Let's talk energy first. Your legs need sustained fuel to keep going, not the fleeting bursts provided by sugary snacks or processed foods. Oats release energy slowly due to their low glycemic index, keeping your muscles active and preventing sudden fatigue. Ever felt sluggish in the afternoon? That's likely because your body ran out of fuel. Oats ensure your muscles stay powered up when you need them most. Iron is another critical nutrient found in oats. It helps transport oxygen throughout your body, including to your hard-working leg muscles. If you've been feeling unusually tired or noticed your legs tire quickly, low iron could be the culprit. Oats also contain magnesium, which prevents painful cramps and keeps your muscles relaxed and pain-free. The best part? Oats are incredibly versatile. Add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on yogurt, or bake them into protein bars. Making oats a daily habit could be the simplest way to keep your legs moving with ease. Number 3. Avocados, creamy powerhouses for strong legs. When you think of avocados, healthy fats probably come to mind. But did you know these creamy green fruits are also fantastic for your legs? As we age, inflammation becomes a silent enemy, causing stiffness, joint pain, and reduced mobility. The monounsaturated fats in avocados actively reduce inflammation, keeping your joints flexible and your muscles free from chronic pain. Avocados are also one of the richest sources of potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions and nerve function. Without enough potassium, your muscles may feel weak, uncoordinated, or prone to cramping. Avocados help regulate these processes, ensuring every step you take feels stable and strong. Additionally, avocados are packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields your muscles from oxidative stress and speeds up recovery. Combined with their ability to improve circulation, thanks to those healthy fats, avocados are a must-have for anyone looking to maintain strong, pain-free legs. Slice them onto toast, blend them into smoothies, or mash them into guacamole. It's all about consistency. Number 4. Berries. Tiny fruits, big benefits. Berries might be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to protecting your muscles. Every day, your body battles oxidative stress, a process that weakens muscles, damages joints, and accelerates aging. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, shielding your muscles from damage and promoting faster recovery. Chronic inflammation is another major threat to leg strength. Over time, it makes movement harder and increases the risk of conditions like arthritis. Berries, however, are natural anti-inflammatories. They ease joint pain, improve flexibility, and keep your legs moving smoothly. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen is the foundation of strong muscles, tendons, and joints. As we age, collagen production declines, leading to weaker muscles and stiffer joints. Eating berries regularly helps restore this balance, keeping your legs firm and resilient. For maximum benefits, make berries a daily habit. Toss them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Not only will they strengthen your legs, but studies show they'll also sharpen your mind. Who knew such tiny fruits could do so much? Number 5. Salmon, the ultimate muscle builder. If there's one food that stands out for building strong legs, it's salmon. Packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is a game-changer for muscle health. Protein provides the building blocks for repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers, while omega-3s reduce inflammation, keeping your muscles flexible and pain-free. Poor circulation is another common issue as we age, leaving legs feeling heavy and sluggish. Omega-3s improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles efficiently. This boosts endurance and keeps your legs energized. Salmon is also rich in B vitamins, especially B12, which fuels energy production. Without adequate B12, you may feel tired and weak. Including salmon in your diet just 2 or 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference. Grill it, bake it, or toss it into salads. The possibilities are endless. Number 6. Eggs, the complete package. Eggs are often called the perfect food, and for good reason. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them ideal for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines, but eggs can slow this process and even help rebuild strength. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, a nutrient critical for muscle function. Low vitamin primarily linked to weak muscles, poor coordination, and an increased risk of falls. Eggs provide a natural source of this vital nutrient, ensuring your legs stay strong and mobile. Another lesser-known hero in eggs is choline. This nutrient supports nerve-muscle communication, helping your legs respond quickly and move with precision. Pair eggs with veggies for an omelet, scramble them for breakfast, or blend them into a smoothie. Consistency is key. Conclusion. Your legs are your foundation, and taking care of them starts with nourishing your body with the right foods. By incorporating sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs into your diet, you're giving your muscles everything they need to stay strong, stable, and full of energy. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods surprised you the most, or do you already include some of them in your meals? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving.